I started taking just 5 grams every single day, and within a few weeks, something unexpected happened. My inflammation levels dropped. Stubborn body fat began shrinking. And muscle growth kicked in faster than anything I had ever tried before. Here's the surprising part: I didn't change my workouts. I didn't eat less. I didn't follow any trendy diet or extreme plan. The only thing that changed was what I took, and more importantly, why science said it should work. That's when I realized something most people get wrong. They fight fat loss and muscle loss in the wrong order. Here's the science most people never hear. Inflammation isn't just about sore joints or occasional aches. It's a silent biological switch that controls fat storage, muscle breakdown, insulin resistance, and even how fast your body ages. Research shows that chronic low-grade inflammation shuts down muscle protein synthesis. That means you can train hard and still lose muscle. At the same time, inflammation signals your body to hold on to fat, even when calories are controlled. When researchers lowered inflammation first, fat loss and muscle growth followed naturally. What made this even more shocking was the dose. Just 5 grams. Not megadoses. Not extreme supplement stacks. At this level, specific compounds were shown to calm inflammatory pathways while activating muscle-building signals at the same time. Researchers measured changes in inflammatory markers, insulin sensitivity, and muscle signaling, and the results were consistent. Over several weeks, I tested 5 different compounds, all at the same 5-gram daily dose. Some helped a little. Some worked better than expected. But one stood so far above the rest that researchers repeated the trials just to confirm the results. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 things I took 5 grams of every single day, ranked from least powerful to most powerful. And make sure you stay until the end, because number 1 can crash inflammation while accelerating fat loss and muscle growth at the same time, according to multiple studies. All of the research supporting this is linked below for full transparency. Before we dive in, a quick question. How old are you, and where are you watching from today? We read and reply to every comment, because your experience could help someone else avoid years of frustration. Now, without further delay, let's start with number 5, the first compound that surprised researchers, but only scratched the surface of what's possible. Small blue diamond number 5, MSM, the sulfur compound that quiets pain signals. MSM, or methylsulfonylmethane, is an organic sulfur compound your body desperately needs, but most people no longer get enough from food. Think of MSM like WD-40 for your joints. It helps lubricate connective tissue while telling pain receptors to calm down and stop overreacting. When taken at 5 grams per day, preferably mixed in warm water on an empty stomach, MSM typically begins working within about 2 weeks. Users report significant reductions in joint inflammation, muscle soreness, and even digestive discomfort. Sulfur is essential for collagen and keratin production, meaning MSM doesn't just support joints, it also benefits skin, hair, and nails. A UCLA-linked study found that participants taking 5 grams of MSM daily for 12 weeks experienced a 58% reduction in joint pain and a 42% improvement in physical function compared to placebo. One reason MSM is so effective is that it improves cell wall permeability, allowing nutrients to move in and toxins to move out more efficiently. This explains why many people report improved energy and reduced bloating within the first week. For best results, take MSM with vitamin C, either as a supplement or mixed with citrus juice. Research from Oregon Health and Science University suggests vitamin C can improve MSM absorption by over 200%. Choose a pure MSM powder with no additives. Start with 2.5 grams for the first week, then increase to the full 5 grams to avoid digestive discomfort. The taste is mildly bitter, similar to unsweetened tonic water, but mixing it with juice or lemon water makes it easy to tolerate. Most people notice reduced morning stiffness within 7 to 10 days, followed by improvements in skin texture and fewer random aches throughout the day. And while your joints may already feel better, wait until you see what happens to your sleep and recovery. Small blue diamond number 4, glycine. The amino acid that rebuilds your body while you sleep. Glycine may be one of the most overlooked supplements available. Your body uses glycine to produce collagen, creatine, and glutathione, 3 compounds essential for strength, recovery, and cellular health as you age. Japanese researchers discovered that taking 5 grams of glycine before bed helped people fall asleep 24% faster and increased deep sleep by up to 40%. the stage when muscle repair and hormone release occur. Glycine works by gently lowering core body temperature, signaling the brain that it's time to sleep, while also enhancing growth hormone release during deep sleep. Taken about an hour before bed, glycine reduces whole body inflammation overnight. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that 5 grams daily improved insulin sensitivity by 44%, supporting better fat burning and reduced fat storage, especially around the midsection. In a 12-week trial, participants also showed visible improvements in skin elasticity, fewer fine lines, and increased lean mass, without changing their workouts. Glycine also acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, calming the nervous system and reducing racing thoughts. Many people report waking up mentally sharper and emotionally steadier. The best protocol is 5 grams mixed in warm water or tea before bed. Unlike sleep medications, glycine improves sleep quality without morning grogginess. Recovery improves dramatically, soreness decreases, and strength gains accelerate. But the next compound takes nutrition to an entirely new level. Small blue diamond number 3, spirulina. The blue-green powerhouse that feeds your muscles. Spirulina is a microscopic algae with an unmatched nutrient profile. At 65% complete protein by weight, 5 grams delivers over 3 grams of highly bioavailable protein, along with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called phycocyanins. NASA has studied spirulina extensively because gram for gram, it provides more nutrition than almost any food source. It contains all essential amino acids, omega-3s, iron, B vitamins, and antioxidants that neutralize inflammation-causing free radicals. Studies show that 5 grams daily can reduce inflammatory markers like CRP and interleukin-6 by up to 22% in 6 weeks. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found LDL cholesterol dropped by 41 points, while muscle endurance increased by 28%. Spirulina also binds heavy metals and toxins, helping eliminate them, often leading to improved energy and even reduced body odor. Its protein absorption rate exceeds 85%, far higher than most plant proteins. For best results, take spirulina on an empty stomach with water and lemon juice to enhance iron absorption. Quality matters. Choose organic, third-party tested spirulina. Most users notice increased energy within days, reduced cravings by week 2, and visible muscle definition and skin clarity by week 4. But the next 2 compounds amplify everything. Number 2. Collagen peptides. The structural support your body is losing with age. Collagen makes up 30% of your body's protein, but production declines steadily after age 25. Collagen peptides are predigested, allowing rapid absorption to rebuild joints, tendons, and muscle tissue. A German study found that athletes taking 5 grams daily gain 15% more muscle mass and 22% more strength than placebo, despite identical training. Collagen also increases satiety hormones, helping reduce calorie intake naturally. It stimulates growth hormone production during sleep, accelerating fat loss and muscle repair. Taken in coffee or smoothies, collagen is tasteless and dissolves easily. Penn State research showed 73% reductions in joint pain and 68% improvements in flexibility within weeks. Hair, skin, nails, joints, and muscles all improve, especially when taken post-workout. Small blue diamond number 1, creatine monohydrate. The most researched muscle compound on Earth. Creatine is supported by over 2,000 peer-reviewed studies. At 5 grams daily, it increases muscle energy storage by up to 40%, enhancing strength, endurance, and recovery. A 2023 Harvard-linked study showed older adults gained 7.3 pounds of lean mass and reversed nearly 15 years of muscle loss in just 12 weeks. Creatine also reduces inflammation, improves cognitive function, and raises metabolic rate, burning more calories even at rest. No loading phase is needed. Just 5 grams daily, consistently. It's one of the safest supplements ever studied, with decades of data showing no harm to kidney or liver function. Choose pure creatine monohydrate, CrePure if available. Together, these 5 compounds create a powerful synergy that transforms your body into a fat-burning, muscle-building, inflammation-fighting machine. Take them consistently for at least 60 days to experience full benefits. If this helped you, subscribe for more science-based breakthroughs. Thanks for watching.